The Xperia tablet Z gives you the kind of viewing experience you'd normally only get on an HD TV. The razor-sharp 10-inch HD reality display simply makes you feel like you're there. For a cinema-like experience, launch the Movies app. Access movies, videos, and TV shows through one single application. A color spectrum so wide, every detail is there in true, vivid colors. Rich and deep, get the settings just right, and enjoy the powerful sound from the 4 3D surround speakers. Hollywood blockbusters, classic movies, and TV shows. It's all on Video Unlimited. Take your pick and just sit back, chill out, and get swept away. Experience the best of Sony in a tablet.